First Latin track. Start with arms. Down, down, down. Shoulder. Inhale. Very good. One more time. Go down, down, down. Shoulder, shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Two cha-cha-chas. Open march. Cha-cha-cha. And stop. Very good. Cha-cha-cha. Open march. Two. And stop. Now arms combination. Cha-cha-cha. From down to up. Push. Cha-cha. Open. Yes. From down to up. Push. Very good. Stop. Now come forward. On place. And back. Open. Very good. Come forward. Hips. Very good. Open. And now watch. This is the chorus. Turn the cha-cha. Turn. Combinations. Down. 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 Shake it. Yes. Very easy. Turn. Go down. 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 And shoulders. Woohoo! Very good. Move your hips. Push and turn. Last time. Very good. New part. Cha-cha mambo to the side. Come back. And march. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Perfect. Now with arms. Very easy arms. Side to side. And pose. Watch. Pose. Repeat. Very good. One more time. Go. Pose. Okay, are you ready from the top, girls? Cha-cha-cha, come forward. Open hip. Cha-cha turn. Go down. Shake it. Cha-cha. Very good. One more time. Come on. Come back. Combination. Second part. Shake it. Okay, second part again. Let's go. Cha-cha to the side. We have to add some hips to the front. Watch. Front, back, back. Yes, go. Very good. Front, back. You got it? Watch next. We have some ball change. Watch. Ball change and turn. Yes. Hips. Ball change. And from the top, cha-cha-cha. Open. Come back. Go down. Shake it. Second part. Mambo. Mambo. Hip to the front, back, ball change and turn. Come on. Very good. Woo! Cha-cha mambo. Give me two. Ball change. Last time for everybody. Wow. Come back. Go down. Second part. Hips. Ball change. Be ready for the final pose. Go down.